Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to connect your Portronics Glide stylus to an iPad. First, make sure your stylus has enough power. A full charge ensures a smooth connection. It's important to note that some Portronics Glide models offer instant connection without Bluetooth. However, for those that do use Bluetooth, you will need to enable Bluetooth on your iPad as the initial step. This prepares your iPad to discover new devices. To begin the pairing process, navigate to your iPad settings application and then tap on the Bluetooth option. Next, power on your Portronics Glide stylus by pressing and holding its power button for a few seconds. You should see a green light illuminate, indicating that the stylus is now in pairing mode. On your iPad, locate and tap on Glide or Portronics Glide in the list of available Bluetooth devices to complete the connection. After successfully connecting, your Portronics Glide stylus is ready for immediate use. You can now enjoy precise writing, detailed drawing, and smooth navigation across your iPad screen. Many models offer advanced features like palm rejection and tilt sensitivity, enhancing your creative experience. To charge your stylus, simply plug a Type-C cable into its designated port. A red light will appear during charging and will turn off once the battery is completely full, typically in about 1 hour. If your Portronics Glide stylus does not appear in the Bluetooth list, first confirm it is adequately charged and your iPad's Bluetooth is active. Sometimes, simply restarting both your iPad and the stylus can resolve connection issues. It is also helpful to temporarily disconnect any other Bluetooth devices to prevent potential interference during the pairing process. A reliable connection between your stylus and iPad significantly boosts your productivity and creative potential for various tasks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.